Gauri Joshi, welcome to Expodometer on NewsX. Your predictions, very comprehensive prediction there. 234 seats, viewers in Tamil Nadu, halfway mark at 118. And Gauri Joshi is predicting the DMK at 104 seats, the AIADMK at 70, the BJP at 12, the TVK at 9, others at 1. And of course, she's predicting the DMK plus at 138 and the NDA at 86. So, as per Gauri Joshi's predictions, the DMK will be back to power in Tamil Nadu. Gauri Joshi, explain to our viewers what has led you to this prediction.
Thank you so much for having me on this evening broadcast. I'm so sorry for a little bit of hassle on my end. I'm also a teacher along with being an analyst. And what I want to emphasize here is that Stalin has actually outdone himself. The anti-incumbency factor has really gone down because Stalin did not just focus on state elections. He also focused on national integrity of the Dravidians and of the opposition at large. So at this moment, we need a unifying force. And that unifying force is going to be created by the Indie bloc. But then we've got the India Alliance actually just getting, scattered, which is why Stalin has taken that kind of a responsibility. And also, it's not that he's just focusing on the nation and he's not actually taking pains about his own state. There is low in anti-incumbency because what do people need? They need facilities. According to the Maslow's hierarchy, they need roti, kapda and makan, which this government is giving them. They are continuing the legacy of Karunanidhi. He was the favorite leader, and his death has also kind of invoked that kind of loyalty towards the DMK again. Udayanidhi being, the heir in the making, along with Stalin, and the other son also, coming into strategy. So of course it's a unit, as we saw in the morning visuals when we were debating. We saw how the family was united in coming back to power, which is why I am very, very sure that DMK is going to make its comeback, is going to make a grand comeback, and BJP, as I've always emphasized, has shot itself in the foot with the delimitation bill.
All right, but at the same time, Gauri Joshi, you just spoke about delimitation. Do you think that that's not going to have an impact as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned? Why should that go in the favor of the DMK?
See, of course, delimitation is something that has questioned the integrity of, the Indian fabric. So, a little example that I like to give is, suppose there is a class of 29 children, 29 states being in India, and the teacher asks some students to, all the students in fact, to come write a passage, okay? One group of students is being very diligent, they're doing whatever they're being told to. One group of students, which is here in this case the Hindi belt, is not listening to any rules. But when there are, distributions for gifts, then the gifts are going to the naughty children. So here, the thing is that you have the Hindi belt benefiting from delimitation. If the seats are increased from 500 to 800, there will be a slighter increase in the state percentage of Uttar Pradesh or probably a Bihar or Madhya Pradesh, and the numbers of seats in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka will go down because their populations have been controlled. So the rule of population control was for the entire country. Those who did not obey will benefit, which is why delimitation was very smartly clubbed with the women reservation bill, which no government has been able to pass, even an Indira Gandhi-led government, even when Sonia Gandhi was president and Manmohan Singh was prime minister. So it is a shame on Indian electoral politics that we cannot have the women reservation bill in the national parliament while we have it in Panchayati Raj. But delimitation actually should not have been brought at this moment, because it actually impacted the elections, or maybe the BJP was not really concerned with the results in down south and they were more focused on Assam and West Bengal.
All right, at the same time, Gauri Joshi, before we let you go, one last question. You don't really see the TVK making any big dent or impact, but of course you've still given them 9 seats for an entry level. Is that okay?
क्राइम स्टोरीज तो काफी पढ़ती हूँ।
See, I think that Vijay has really touched hearts
वो
with the
6:30 के
kind
करीब
of
वो
response he
नशेड़ी था।
gave to the
1.5 महीने
stampede.
पहले उसको
Okay,
निकाल देते यहाँ से,
he
8 महीने
was
काम करता था।
cornered left, right and
जैसे
center
सपोज तू
because
नौकर है, मैं
everybody
नौकर हूँ,
thought he
तो हम
was
लोग
a
से
rookie.
उधार ही मांगता था कि मैं तो
So
इसी
he
घर में
could be
काम करता हूँ,
bullied
पकड़
into
लो।
a
1.5
response.
लाख का तो
But
उसके
you
ऊपर
know,
होता।
the kind
ऑनलाइन
of,
गेमिंग करता था, नशे करता था।
some people
दो
would
परचून
not
की
agree
दुकान
with
पे
the
जाके
way
अपने
he
लिए सामान
dealt
ले
with
आता
it.
था,
Some
कहता था
people
इसके
would
बिल पे
think
डाल
that,
दो।
you know,
तो
he actually
करते
spoke his
करते 2
heart
लाख
out.
का इसने
And just
चंपत
the
लगाया उनको
momentum
भी,
of
अपने
people who
जो
gathered
मालिक
to
थे।
see him
उन लोगों ने
shows the
इसको
star
निकाला।
power. I
लड़की
mean,
22
you
साल की, सुबह पढ़
always,
रही होगी या सो रही होगी, जो भी
the
है।
analysts always say
जब ये
that
जिम गए,
Kamal
माँ बाप
Haasan has not been
सोच,
able
अब
to make a
बाप
dent.
जिम
But
भी
then
नहीं जा
look at
सकते
him.
इतनी बड़ी
I
लड़की
mean,
को घर
even
छोड़
if the
के।
seats
तो
quantity is not there, the
उसने पहले
quality
से
of the
रेप किया,
position, you know,
उसके बाद
being
लड़की ने
an
बहुत
ally to
प्रोटेस्ट
DMK,
किया कि
being
देख
like
22 साल की लड़की छोटी नहीं
the
होती
kind
है।
of ally
उसने भी
to
खूब
be the
फाइट
kind
की
of a
थी कि ये भी कोई
kingmaker of
मरियल सा ही
sorts,
लड़का
you
था,
know, not
23-24 साल का, ये
a
जानती
complete
होगी
kingmaker,
उसको।
but then still, you
उसने
know,
उसको खूब
being a
रोका, सब
kingpin,
किया,
being
लेकिन
somebody
उसे
in
डंडा
the
मार दिया।
cabinet of this king,
डंडा मारने से
if
ब्लड
Stalin is
फोर्स की
compared to
खून
one.
निकला।
So
खून जब निकला
star
तो
power is
वो
not
आधमरी हो
unpaid
गई।
in down
आधमरी
south, and as
हालत
we
में
were
उसको
discussing in
घसीटते
the
हुए
earlier debate as
ऊपर
well,
के स्टडी फ्लोर से
be it
नीचे के
Kangana
लॉकर फ्लोर
Ranaut,
पे
be it
लेके आया
Hema
और
Malini,
उसके
be it
खून
Sunny
के
Deol,
उंगली से
they've actually
लॉकर खोलने की
pulled
कोशिश कर रहा,
crowds. They've
वो
actually
खुल
been
नहीं रहा,
successful,
मर
you
गई
know,
वो।
if even
तो उसको
not
साइड,
make a little bit of dent.
मतलब इतना
But see, these are
जघन्य
predictions.
अपराध है
This
ये,
is
जिसकी
something
कोई
that
हद नहीं है।
is according to my understanding, and I'm completely, you know, okay if it goes wrong or
सोच,
haywire.
अपनी
It'll be
कॉलोनी
a
में
learning
हुआ
for me
है।
as well.
Okay, all right.
मेरे
On
को तो
that
कल रात
note,
को नींद नहीं आई, तो ये
Joshi,
नागपाल की वजह से।
with that, we'll move on to our next analyst, Shubhendu Mukherjee.